Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to update a GoPro Hero 8. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download the GoPro Quick app for iOS or Android. While that's downloading, let's head on over to the display settings on your phone. I'm currently using an iPhone, so this may look a little different depending on the phone that you're using. But basically, you want to change the auto lock to never so that your phone doesn't fall asleep in the middle of the update. Once you have that done, go ahead and open up the app. Next, tap on the camera icon in the top right corner. Before tapping on Add Camera, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Once it's turned on, go ahead and tap on Add Camera. Next, select your camera model. Then, let's power on your GoPro. Tap on My Camera is On to continue. Next, slide down from the top of your GoPro screen and tap on Preferences. Tap on Connections, Connect Device, then select the GoPro app. Once you have that finished, tap on Continue on your phone. Next, tap on Connect Camera, and then Pair Device. Here, you can change the camera name, and you can tap on Save New Name when you're all finished. This next part will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and when it's finished, tap on Update Camera. The next page will list a few bug fixes and new features. When you're ready, go ahead and tap on Update. Next, review the firmware license and tap on Accept and Continue when you're finished. So in this next part, I ran into a little bit of an issue where I was getting this failed to connect message pop up in the middle of the update. So just in case you guys run into the same problem, I'll show you what I did to help fix this issue. So heading back over to the GoPro, swipe down on the screen, tap on Preferences, tap on Connections, then under Wi-Fi band, change it from 5 GHz to 2.4. Now go back to your phone and through the app, try and update your GoPro again, and this should fix the issue. Alright guys, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.